Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get followers on Threads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up your Threads application on your device and simply log into your account. And after logging in, you'll be redirected to a timeline page of your Threads account. The first thing you need to do is simply tap over on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then your profile page, and then on your profile page, tap on followers section present beneath the username. Here you will be able to manage all of your followers, and if you swipe left, you will be able to see your following accounts. Now just tap on the see all button present at the end of the top statement. All of your accounts that you follow on Instagram will start to appear. Now just simply add them and you'll get instant followers. And the second thing you can do is simply interact with people by uploading reacts on your account. This method will increase the engagement of your account and it will automatically be promoted to others. And that's how you can get followers on Threads. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.